Once you have a QR code in front of you, either at the welcome door of the store or at a pamphlet which was given to you physically, or maybe from any social media outlet. So what you do, you go to your camera and you scan for the QR code. The moment you have clicked on the QR code, you have scanned, you will be directed towards the web page and you go to the store. The interface is very smooth, very efficient, and this is where it directs you to. So here, this is the Bakala or a grocery store, as it is called here in Abu Dhabi. And you can see there are different items which are available. So suppose we want to order milk, we'll just click on the milk and you have the options of milk. I had just now ordered 2 liters of milk. So here you have an option. So you can increase or decrease the number. Suppose you want to order another type of milk, you have to just click on this add button and the item is added. So you can add or minus as you want. Okay, it is very efficient, very fast. So you can go to the previous window wherein you have the option of other items or the different items that you require. So here you can see, now suppose we want to add oil, we click on the oil and we add oil. Similar process, you just add and then you see suppose this is what you have already ordered and this is what you want to finish. Then you just go in the checkout, you see below there is a checkout option and here you are, whatever you have just now ordered, there's a list. Suppose I don't want to go ahead with something, I can remove that from the list, or if I want to keep it, I can keep it. And then I mention my name, then I mention my number, then I mention if I want pickup or delivery. Suppose it is pickup or delivery, both options are there. So you see, if it is delivery, it will ask you the time. Suppose I want it at 1:30, send this as an option available. And here you either type your address or you can have the location map. You can have the location map and it will just save the location, exact location, and the same will be displayed in the order. So here is the house number. You can put anything you want, maybe a membership number or a vehicle plate number in case of pickup. See, if you click on pickup, it will give you a vehicle number, plate number. Maybe this is the vehicle which is going to come and pick it up. So this is optional, which a store can give you. So here we have a delivery and my house number is 1002 or the flat number as it may be. And here I can write comment, something special if I want to tell them or something I want to instruct them, like get change for AED 500. This is the option. And a store can give you coupons like 10% off, 15% off on special days. Those coupons, once you have the code, you can just put it here and it will be applied. Okay, and you then press the order. The system directs you via WhatsApp to place an order and the order is gone here. So if you see my order which has been placed for delivery, the order number for that store, this is the items that I have requested for them to bring to me. Okay, and I have told them this is my change required special, and here I have given my exact location map is given to them, plus additional information is my house number. So this is how the order is placed.